Welcome to the fascinating world of anaerobic digestion, nature's recycling system that turns waste into energy. I'm Steve Last, at least this is a synthesized voiceover of me, and today we're diving into how this remarkable process works. Imagine your banana peels, coffee grounds, and lawn clippings aren't just trash, but actually untapped energy. That's the magic of anaerobic digestion, a natural biological process where microorganisms break down organic matter without oxygen, creating valuable biogas and nutrient-rich fertilizer. So what exactly happens inside these digesters? Think of them as giant stomachs. Just like your digestive system breaks down food without oxygen, anaerobic digesters create the perfect oxygen-free environment for specialized bacteria to feast on organic waste. These microscopic workers are incredibly efficient. They transform what would be landfill waste into renewable energy and reduce greenhouse gases by capturing methane that would otherwise escape into our atmosphere. Anaerobic digesters come in several types. There are many types, but 5 that I'd like you to be aware of are: 1. Covered lagoon digesters, essentially covered ponds that trap biogas. 2. Plug flow digesters, where waste enters one end and exits the other. 3. Complete mix digesters, that thoroughly mix waste with microorganisms in heated tanks. 5. Fixed film digesters, which use special media to support bacterial growth. The choice, for any one site, depends on available space, feedstock type, climate conditions, and intended purpose. Now, let's take a closer look at the actual digestion process that makes this all possible.